How to sign into John Deere employee account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in John Deere employee login and then search for it. With that, different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, sign in to access my JDSN, open it. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now over here, you will find this login section. Go ahead and click on the option of sign in. Now from this page, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide the credentials. First up, type in the username, then type in the password. If you want to stay logged in, you can check in for the option of keep me sign in. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on the option of forget password to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on sign in, and just for that, you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily sign in to John Deere employee account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.